Indian e-commerce will definitely surpass USA marketplace. So Indian online division will reach 99 billion by 2024, which was just 30 billion in 2019. Everyone knows that online shoppers are increasing day by day, especially after the COVID first wave and second wave. People have started moving online, and currently also people are in the fear of corona third wave. So they are like, why should we go outside and waste our time? Let's buy online itself. The fear has cultivated this online trend also. And on a fact, like 100 million registered customers are on Amazon. This is just 8% of Indian population. These shoppers are increasing day by day, and as per the last year data, there are only 5.5 lakh sellers. See, 100 million registered customers are there. Only 8% is purchasing online. It is going to increase, but only 5.5 lakh sellers are listed on Amazon. The main reason is that many people don't know that they can sell their products on Amazon. Even if you don't have a product, even with minimum investment without office setup, many people don't know. And I believe that in the seller list, you guys also will be added. If you ask me the question, is this for me? This is for manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer first, who already have some idea. Or if you are going to say, no, I don't have any idea. I'm a housewife, I'm a student, I have zero knowledge. I don't have any product. I have never dealt with product. Don't worry, I'm going to cover from the basics, from the scratch of figuring out a product, figuring out a supplier, and this is the perfect workshop for you. So many are asking this question right now. Please know the ground rules of the workshop. It's a continuous 2 hours live workshop. Strictly no recordings. So make sure that you are taking a paper and a pen. The recording is designed, the workshop is designed in such a way that there is no recording, but I want you to get involved in the next 2 hours. Keep your mobiles aside. Don't get distracted. I want your next 2 hours. And believe me, this would be a life-changing opportunity in your life, and you will be really marking this day in your calendar. So highly recommend to have a notepad and a pen. We have a 5 minutes break in between for you and also me to relax. Highly recommend to use desktop, laptop or headphones, because in mobile phones and all, people will be like, madam, you are not seeing, PPT is not shown, that and all will happen. So make sure that you are switching you have to switch between it in the mobile phone. So try to go to your laptop, desktop and have a proper headphone for the voice issues. So I have a proper mic system from my side. So you please take care from your side. We have Q&A at the end. But I completely understand that there are chances that you may miss out asking some questions, etc. Don't worry. I am going to give you an exclusive FB group. Stay till the end. The FB group, we have 20,000 plus members who have already attended my workshop. You can join the FB group and you can post your questions, and we are here to assist you on that. And apart from this, you will get a bonus ebook by tomorrow 11 a.m. to your email inbox, where I would share you all the list of Amazon tools that you should know. So the bonus ebook will be shared, and stay till the end to get the FB group link. And in case you are trying to spam, I'm sorry to say that you will be strictly removed by my team. Make sure that you are with a stable internet connection, and these are the ground rules. Please take a screenshot, because people in between ask me. To us, no distraction, stay connected. So before I start further, I just want to share who am I to teach you about Amazon selling. Yes, if I can share about myself. So a lot of S's. Thanks for the quick confirmation. I worked in Cognizant Technology Solutions for me for the long time. I started part-time online business. I made my home into a complete office. I had stocks everywhere, under my bed, everywhere. I converted my home into an office space. I started selling. Things started working perfectly for me. I quit my 9 to 6 job. I have been recognized by Amazon, Flipkart, and I have received several recognition awards from them for being one of the top seller in Chennai city. I started a full-time e-commerce business after resigning my job, and I thought I'm all set. But reality hit me hard. Please take a screenshot of this particular thing. It will be highly useful for you. These are the mistakes that I did. It is not necessary that you have to do mistakes. Learn from your mistakes, please. When I started after resigning my job, I did not know much about e-commerce. So these are the mistakes I did. I sold low MRP products. I sold for low margin. I did not do any product research. I did not create brand. I didn't even know what these words mean to me also. And when I started, there was no videos, there was no mentors available. So you have a mentor like me currently, but when I started, there was no videos, there was no mentor available. And I started my selling journey at 2013. I started by selling my own handmade products and slowly started procuring from local vendors. So this is my full-time e-commerce, and these are the mistakes that I did. You also don't do the mistake of selling low MRP, low margin products. After 5 years of struggle, I discovered a unique method called e-crushing method. And yes, this workshop is completely about this unique method called e-crushing method, where I have split into three. One is foundation, another is launch, another is scale. What is foundation? For any business, a proper foundation is required. Yes, Amazon also requires a proper foundation of figuring out a proper product, etc. And you should know how to launch it and how to scale your business. And the brief I'm going to give you in the next 2 hours. So this e-crushing method, I applied for myself. And apart from this, I started applying in my agency for all my clients and also to my students. I teach my students about this method, and this is one of the recent success story. Karthik has achieved 1.6 lakhs in 45 days and nearly 3 lakhs in 60 plus days. This is the recent achievement of Karthik after implementing my e-crushing method, whatever I'm going to share in the next 2 hours. So again, I repeat, mark my words, this will be a life-changing workshop for you. So still, if you're not with paper and pen, please take a paper and pen. So I started the agency Newgen Max in 2017 and have worked over 1,000 plus projects. And we have worked over 100 plus clients exclusive for Amazon Sales Boost. I have spent around 50 lakh plus amount on e-commerce ads. I have done 450 plus consultation, 50 plus online and offline workshops. And if you ask me the question, do I have any certificates? Yes, I do have the certificates from Amazon itself. I am Amazon trained e-commerce specialist. And I belong to Amazon Service Provider Network, where we help sellers in every aspect. And I am also an Amazon Ads expert. And I have also been featured on Daily Hunt, Hindustan Times, ZEE5. These are some of my features for helping people to sell online, to make even housewives to be a businesswoman, and all these small retail owners to become a online seller. These are some of my features in English. And if you know Tamil, you can check out all my videos on Nanayam Vigadan, which is one of the top magazine in Tamil Nadu. I'm on a mission to train 1 lakh Indians to grow business online by the e-crushing method, and I've currently crossed over training 15,000 people. And it has been nearly 1 year that I've become a full-time coach. So this is about me. Now you can share me what's your biggest struggle when it comes to starting an Amazon business. Where are you stuck out exactly? Please mention in the chat box. Where are you stuck out exactly? Please mention in the chat box. GST is not at all a problem. I'll explain you. Money, product selection, don't know, low capital, don't know how to start, no time, you will require less time. 9 to 5 job, how to sell, profitability, marketing, just don't know. Starting problem. Time, money, I'm very new. Scaling issues, no margin. Okay, got it. So I have already done several research and I've already trained many people. So I know where you guys exactly face, but I just want to understand, like, am I going in the correct track or not? So many people are still struggling in the same traditional mindset only. Don't worry. After this workshop, all these things you can just put into mark. I will clarify all these things. So before proceeding, stay till the end. You will get an exclusive opportunity to work with me. So these are the 3 biggest problem. Like whatever you guys have typed, right? Everything comes under this 3 biggest problem. One is traditional mindset. Another is product mistakes. Another is no branding. Let me explain each and everything and let me break all your myths and make you come back out of this cycle. First is a traditional mindset. Many people think that they require more capital and investment. So many people talk about e-commerce. Right now also I have got comment like, please wait, Varun, we are just doing it. We will have Q&A, all the things. Everything is normal, don't do it. So require more capital and investment. Many people think that e-commerce requires a lot of capital and investment. But the reality is not so. Right now also I have been seeing comments, people saying that capital, capital. Believe me or not, this is one of the best business in 2021 with minimum capital. I'm going to share you what capital you need also. I mean, what investment you need, I mean. And many people think that they have to invest huge on inventory. Like they will imagine a very big warehouse, robots coming here and there, and they will say they want to invest 1,000 piece. Nothing like that. You can start very low as possible. Especially IT employees do this third point mistake. They say that I know coding, and they invite or call some developers and they design a website. They won't even have marketing budget to promote the website, so don't waste your money on e-commerce websites. And many people think, especially housewives, students, all these working freelancers have their own imagination that only a manufacturer, only a big player can start selling on Amazon. Okay, nothing like that. Everyone can sell. And many people invest on office space and human resources. So many people do this particular mistake, like immediately they get the imagination like startup, etc. They waste a lot of money in all these unnecessary things. Believe me, all these are not required, especially for Amazon business. How many of you have watched this particular video before the workshop? Is there anyone who haven't watched the video? I did. Okay. Watched. Okay, no. For those who have marked no, my team, please share the link to the people. As I change to everyone so that everyone can see the link. I share the video. Super, great. So the video link is shared by my team. If you have not watched it, please save this link and watch it again. I will give a brief what did I cover in this particular video. I would have said that you require PAN card and GST to start selling on Amazon. Many people are stuck out here itself. I should take GST. Come on, this is a very, very basic steps. Let me give you one clarity. Vakil Search is charging you 399 rupees for getting a GST. Then imagine how easy the job is. Simple. So make sure that you are taking a GST. Any GST related question, the point of contact, you can use ClearTax or Vakil Search. An auditor can give you a better clarity on this. And you don't require anything, okay, without office space. No need of any office and all. Right now also, I don't have any physical office available. I am doing the business. You don't require any office space. Just go approach them. There are many formalities for rental house, own house, everything. There is a solution. Simply approach them because they are the real-time players. They are doing it. Or you can approach local auditors, get the GST work done. And I would have shared you how you can register yourself as a seller on Amazon. The last 5 minutes of the video will have the details. If you have not watched it, please watch it again, and no need to register it now. Once you have got your GST, once your products are ready, you can go and register yourself as a seller on Amazon. And Redmi Note, I don't know who are you, please wait. That is what is a 2 hours program. Please wait and just focus on it. And I would have shared you the expenses involved in the e-commerce business. What are the expenses involved? I would have explained about the referral fees and closing fees. If you have watched, well and good. Else, please watch it again. A very, very important video to know about the GST. So, this is what even right now people said me. Too technical and need experience. Many people say me GST registration is a big process. That is the traditional mindset. GST registration is a 0th step in Amazon selling. It would cost you very less. Please go approach the professionals. They will get this work done. Fine. Next. Many people think creating Amazon Seller Central account require a lot of document and time. I have given you the video already. 5 minutes it took me to create an Amazon Seller Central account. You just need 2 documents, GST, PAN card. That's it. And many people imagine this using Amazon Seller Central account. They imagine as if it is a very coding thing and all. The panel is very easy. I'm going to share you about all these things also. And people think selling online need a lot of experience and needs to be a techie. Nothing like that. You need not have any technical experience to sell on Amazon. These are the other myths people are having. Now 2 to 3% I guess. They said 9 to 5 job time. First of all, this business doesn't need your full time. You can do this completely part time. Many people think, Part-time, so how this business will work? If I'm doing it part-time, it's not a business. Who said? Part-time you can do a business, and this business is completely feasible for it. And if you're already a manufacturer, distributor, retailer, wholesaler, simple idea. E-commerce is not a new business for you. It is part of your business. You are in 2021. If you are not online, your competitors will take your position. Even if you don't have a product, you can sell on Amazon. You can run this business completely from home. Some of my students are doing it outside India also. Okay, don't worry, anywhere you can be, and you can do this completely business in home, from home, or anywhere in India or outside India. So I said you require minimum capital and low investment. Let me share you the the practical examples. I started my business 2013. In the extreme left side, you can see that I just took pictures of my handmade products and posted on FB group. It was a complete failure. But I started with 2 to 3K only. I don't even know the exact amounts because I don't know. I started with handmade products. So it was a failure only. I don't say no, but it helped me to come online. And I slowly figured out hard product. I did a lot of research. I started with minimum quantities. Only one thing that I would say to everyone, this business I really love because do it small. No one is going to question you. Even if you're going to sell one product, one piece, no one is going to question you on that. So always do it small. I believe in calculated risk. Just to go and ask your father, any person in the elder, they would say about calculated risk. I also believe in the same. Start small. If things are working, we will scale it. This will help us in minimum investment, minimum effort, minimum quantity. So what is the investment required? What is the quantity required? Don't worry, I'm going to cover it. So no need of any website or office space or agency. No need to invest money on printers, individual packing courier covers, because we'll be completely using Amazon FBA, which I'm going to cover it in few minutes. I said you that you require minimum capital, low investment. Now, let me prove you, because my example is 2013, it's way far back. Let me explain you with the current example. This is one of the product. The product price is 561. This product is making an average monthly sales of 35 pieces. How did I get this graph? This graph is because of a tool called Jungle Scout. Jungle Scout is a paid Amazon tool where we can figure out the monthly sales. I am not asking anyone to buy this tool, but you may be interested. So maybe my team will post the link on the chat. You can just see the tool if you are interested. I am not asking anyone to buy the tool, but just have a look if you want. So this will help us in figuring out the monthly sales of any product on Amazon. Now I have got this screenshot. This is not an accurate tool, approximately. So this tool is saying that this particular product is making a monthly sales of 35 units. Okay. Now, what is the average investment for selling this 35 piece per month? What is your opinion? Just share it in the comment box. What is the average investment of selling 35 piece per month for the product share? Before proceeding, see, many people are asking questions. Please wait. And every question I'm going to cover only. That is a sad point. I'm going to explain about product research, everything. Please wait. Whatever the question you have, please wait. Write it down. Everything will be covered in the next 2 hours. This is my, I believe, 30th or about 30th workshop. So I know what you guys will be stuck on. Don't worry. I'm here to assist you. 10K, 5K, 1,000, 3,500. 3,500. 10,000. Okay, 10,000, 50,000, 0. How come 0? Okay, different answer. Depends on the quality. Okay, I will share you a live demo how we can figure it out very easily. So, let me share my live screen. Please note it down. This concept is called Kitna Milega Calculator. Okay. So there is a calculator called Kitna Milega Calculator. What is this calculator? Very simple. As the name says, how much am I going to get in my bank account, or how much is my competitor getting in my bank account is called Kitna Milega Calculator. A very, very important topic. Please pay attention. Please be patient. Next 5 minutes, focus. This calculator helps us in figuring out how much is my competitor getting to in his bank account. So this is the product, exact product. Each and every product will have ASIN number. What is ASIN? Amazon Standard Identification Number. Can I create the number? No. Amazon creates this number as soon as we list the product. Each and every product will have unique ASIN number. Go for your competitor product. Copy this number. Come and paste it here. And click on search. Why is this tool helpful? This will be helpful for two things. One is to see how much my competitor is making or how much can I make. And another thing is that how can I set a selling price? Many people will scratch here itself. How to set my selling price? For both a single solution is this only. For this, Amazon is asking only one information. Selling price of the product. Whenever you go to a product, there are two prices, MRP, selling price. MRP, leave it. Selling price is 570. I will explain what is your fulfillment, Amazon fulfillment shortly. So here this is an Amazon fulfilled product. I am entering 570 here. Just input the value and click on calculate. Okay, that's it. I repeat, I just entered the value 570, click on calculate. Now what is this calculator doing means, first let's have a basic understanding. If you watch my expense video, you would have got clarity. To register an Amazon account, there is no charges. To list my products, there is no charges. But if I make a sales on Amazon, there is charges. Okay. So, what are the charges they are debiting? As I said in the pre-workshop video, referral fees, closing fees and all is there. Now, this calculator will automatically subtract all the fees. See, this is called referral fees, closing fees. If I sell this product, 71 rupees is going to go. And I will be explaining about what is this FBA fees shortly. So this also will be subtracted. There is no need for me to buy out and all. A calculator is there where I will come and enter it out here. And I will see how much can I make into my bank account. So if this particular seller is selling this product, he will be making 383 rupees in his bank account. Okay. So now not only this, the other advantage here is that I can see can I get in bank account 383. I can increase and I can see this amount so that I can understand what can be my selling price also. So it is helpful to understand how much will I get in bank account. I can increase and see how much will I get in bank account so that I can set my selling price properly. Now, so he is selling at 570 and 383 is the net profit that he is making. Actually, this product and all, he should have purchased at 200 rupees only, to be very frank. But many people will be like, this won't be available 200, etc. So let's consider that he has purchased this product at 300 rupees. Assuming that 80 rupees, at least you should have kept a profit. Okay. Assuming that he has purchased at 300 rupees maximum, I'm saying. And he is selling 35 units as per the Jungle Scout tool. So the total investment approximately is 35 into 300. 300 rupees he should have invested for one piece. 35 pieces he is selling. So 10,500. Assuming that he should have purchased additional pieces, etc. Approximately 10,000 to 15,000 is the initial investment to sell on an average one piece per day. Do you think that investing around 10 to 15k is really high in 2021 on a business? Again, I repeat, there is no criteria given by Amazon. You can even sell one product, one piece. I am taking one scenario. If you are making a one day, one say initially, with a minimum investment that you are going to just buy any household, you can take it, invest it on Amazon and give a try. You will definitely make sales, provided if you are going to follow my e-crushing method. Okay, a lot of no's. My chat itself is hung. Because definitely this is not a big amount. So, what is the ideal investment means? If you ask me, I would always say have 30,000 to 50,000. Why means? See, we need some money for rotation also. I believe in that because once I invested, the next product I may want to buy or I may be interested to scale it. Something like that we will be having, right? So, I always prefer to have a little extra money. But believe me, my students are cracking with 10 to 15k itself. Within this 10 to 15k itself, they are able to buy the products, get the GST also. So this is the best part here. So start investing small. You don't require big investment. And coming to the capital, what is capital means? Buying printer, all these things are not at all required in Amazon business. You can start with your minimum savings. I believe by now you should have got little confidence that yes, I can also start with small money. Just type confidence if you got little confidence. Like, okay, I can also start with my small savings because 10,000 to 15,000 everyone will be having. Great, super. And one more thing that I want to share. One of the highest comment that we get in our FB post, right, or in the question, people say, Amazon is very bad. I sold a product of 99 rupees. They didn't even pay me money. This is the comment that I get always. See, very simple. If I'm going to sell a product of 99 rupees, see, it is coming in negative. Amazon also should make profit, right? So selling a product of 99 rupees, I have to pay Amazon 54 rupees. Why should I sell it? So what price should I select? That I'll be sharing you very shortly. So don't go for this 99 products and all. You won't make profit. Why? See, in this 99 rupees, I have to pay them commission referral fees. I have to pay them FBA fees and all. Then how will I make profit? Why should I sell this product? So if you're planning to sell a product of 99, don't sell itself. So without understanding this kitna milega logic, many people say that I sold a product of 99, 149, 199. I did not get any money from Amazon. Yes, you won't get it because you won't make profit. Even if I sell 199, only 35 rupees is coming to my bank account. So please wait. I'm going to show you what price you can select, what products you can select one by one. Okay. So by now you should have got confidence that okay, that we don't require any much investment. And as I said, you require just PAN card and GST. And using the Amazon Seller Central account is very, very easy. It's very organized. For that also, I will share you the demo. This is the back-end panel of Amazon Seller Central. If you have watched my pre-workshop video, you would have seen this particular page and I would have left this page here. As soon as you register your account on Amazon, you will come to this page. Here you can come and add your bank account information. You can add your savings account, current account, your account, your mother account, father account, anyone's account. You can come and add your bank account information and you can change any details. And coming to the panels here, inventory and manage inventory will have the list of products that you have listed. So here you can come and edit your stock anytime. Consider I have this particular product, 100 piece. I can come and click on 100 here and I can click on save. I can make the changes anytime that I want. It will hardly take 15 minutes for it to get refreshed. So I can track everything in manage inventory tab and orders, manage orders where I can see the orders that I have received. And here comes the advertisement tab where we generate our sales, and all the feedbacks and all will come in this performance tab, like how people are giving feedback to us, etc. Like this panel is a very, very organized one. And also we have a language changer at the bottom. If you are a person saying that, no, I don't know English, you have languages like English, Hindi, Tamil, Kannada, Marathi and Gujarati. These are the language switches available. And if you're not comfortable in any language, you can switch over between the languages. So don't think that it's too technical. It's actually very, very easy panel, a friendly panel where you can understand things very easily. And not only that, you also have a mobile application for Amazon Seller, which makes your works very easy. But if you're planning to do registration, please use laptop. After registration only, I'm saying, after doing Seller Central registration, please start using mobile application. Don't use Seller registration mobile. It's not working properly. Finish your Seller Central registration, then come here and use all these language changer, etc. for you to help in a better way. And there is no need for you to quit your existing job or business. Please understand that you can start this business from the comfort of your home, anywhere you are located, even outside India. Selling your product online is it's not optional. If you are already into this industry, it is your part of your business. This will help you to expand Pan India. What is Pan India means? From sitting at any rural location, you can sell it to Jammu, West Bengal, Gujarat, Kanyakumari, wherever you want. Work with less time? Yes, because I have to advise something what I did. I also quit my job. After I have successfully seen that my business is scaling, I started making money from the business, and then only I quit my job. I would also advise you to do the same. I quit my job at 2015. Still, I say to everyone the same thing: take calculated risk. Don't quit your job so early. Okay. So it's always about getting started. People stuck out somewhere saying that asking a lot of questions. They don't even get started. They don't even come to this line, but they will be asking questions, etc., etc. If you are keep on going to question a lot, if you're going to keep on think, delay, you won't even start. One of my success is that with zero knowledge, with zero technical skills, believe me, when I started, I don't even know what is an invoice. I was so much bad in all the technical things. But only thing that I learned was that getting started. I should start. Let me start. Things will happen on its own. So I have one question for you. Are you ready to get started? Just type ready. Are you ready to get started? Yes, yes. Analysis, paralysis. Okay. Ready. Yes. You have to start it. If you're not going to start it, see, once you start only, you will get a lot of hurdles. Let it come. Let's face it out. I started even without a mentor, but you have a wonderful community here where we have 20,000 plus people. I am here to guide you on it. Just get started. Things will happen on its own. Believe the system and proceed. I want to share you one story here. I want to start the story of a Navy officer, Anirban, who worked as a Navy officer and has quit his job. In 2018, he approached me and he said that he quit his job and he wants to start selling. So currently we are working very closely. So he started with 1,200 rupees. I didn't even imagine that he will come to this such a level. Right now he is doing e-commerce business and he has crossed 50 lakh of revenue. And in the last financial year, he has even crossed 1 crore of revenue. Believe me, I didn't imagine that he is going to be one of my testimonial person in the future. Only one thing that I could see is that, see, I shared him the methods. I shared him Amazon e-crushing methods. We worked very close. That is fine. Only thing that I could see in him is that he started. He is ready for testing. Whenever I say, let's apply this product, let's do this, he will be like, yes, let's do it. So that is a secret of a Navy officer who become an e-commerce business owner, and he's one of the top sellers also. And only one secret that I would say to you also is that get started. Simple. Type clap if you want to appreciate him. Type clap if you want to appreciate him. Super. So the products that we selected, we applied all these Amazon e-crushing methods. I'm going to share you the secret mantra directly where you can apply it on your products and you can figure out the products, etc. So it's time for you to decide yourself whether you're going to stuck in this traditional mindset of saying that GST, that I am hesitant to call to the auditor, or I don't have time. Come out of all these mindsets. Simply say, let me start, let me figure out, let me start. That is the perfect digital mindset. What did you learn from this session? Were I able to cultivate little confidence on you? Please type it in the chat box. Will face hurdles and overcome them. I'm going to start. Yes, boosted confidence, mindset, digital mindset, of course. Knowledge, clap, confidence, I got idea. Super. So happy that I'm on fire. Knowledge, clear mindset, really ready to relearn. Super, mind booster. Yes, super. For any business, very simple. You just need first a proper mindset to start. If you're actually, will I start? You can't start it. Perfect. If you're taking notes, please type it out like I will start. That's it. So I said there are three biggest problems. So first was the traditional mindset and another was the product mistakes. Many people don't know what product to select. Even when I'm teaching first, right, people are asking how to select a product. Don't worry, I'm going to cover it everything. So product mistakes is there. And thanks Vinayak for the feedback. And I'm going to cover what is mean by product mistakes and the secret formula that you can copy from me and apply it on your products and you can start selling Amazon as well. Many e-commerce sellers fail because of a common product mistakes. What is the mistakes? They don't figure out the right product. They choose shiny product. I will share you this example. You please say me what are the top products that you feel are selling on Amazon, or what is the top category that you feel is selling on Amazon. Just mention in the chat box. Electronics, phones, electronics, home decor, toys, baby products, home improvement, gadgets, phones, electronic accessories, cosmetics. A various answer, but many people think electronics, phones, gadgets sells online. So many people, as soon as we say Amazon selling, they try to figure out these products and sell it out. First of all these are highly competitive products. What is highly competitive? See, already you have iPhone, already you have OnePlus, who is going to buy all our phones and all. So don't go and fall for all these high competitive products, and don't fall for it. And in reality, see, if you're going to launch your own brand headsets, and see, for headset itself, Virat Kohli is coming in advertisements. You have to compete with all these persons. So don't go and fall for all these shiny products unless you have a manufacturing unit, unless you are a manufacturer of headsets, etc. Even manufacturers are not aware of the winning products. Rather, they choose non-winning products. So they will be like, oh, manufacturers should do product research. Why should I do product research? This was one of the things manufacturers asked me. Please wait, I'm going to share you why you should also do product research. And there are few people who choose multiple products, multiple industry. They confuse themselves a lot. See, if you have good budget, if you're already this fine, if you're completely new, go slow. One day if you've selected a product, stick on to it. Many people will be like, today they will be saying like, my mom is making a lot of pickles. I'll make sure that I'm making the pickles. Tomorrow they will say, my uncle is having a unit. I will buy leather from him and start selling leather purse. Stick on to one thing first and then launch the second product. And many people are not aware what pricing strategy should they select. They select 99. And for that they give me one reason also. Why is he selling at 99? I will ask, why are you bothering? He is making a loss. If you want to make a loss, sell at 99. Why? What is bothering you? Very simple. If someone is selling at 99, why are you taking him as an example? It is really important for you to take a good seller as an example. He is an ignorant seller who don't know the back-end structure of Amazon. If there is a chance, we have to go and educate him. Don't take all these wrong examples. Always take first-time person as the example. So don't go on all these pricing strategy. I'm going to share you the perfect pricing strategy right now. So many are not aware how to check the quality of suppliers, especially if you're a manufacturer, distributor, that's fine. For all the new persons, they don't know how to figure out a supplier, how to invest money, or where can I purchase. They simply believe Instagram FB comments. And they go and type PP. One guy will give the Paytm number. They will Paytm the money. That guy will run away from the Instagram account. Paytm account will be blocked. The number itself will be blocked. So don't do all these activities. So make sure that I'm going to show you only one super duper method. You can approach the suppliers through that method, and you can also bargain with them. I'm going to share you all these tips for that. Many people are not sure what are the tools that we can use. Don't worry, tomorrow before 11 a.m. you will get an email with all the tools that you can use it for Amazon. But now I'm going to share you about Amazon product research, even without any paid tools, so that everyone can apply it. So before proceeding about the product research, I want to give a clarity on this. Should manufacturer also do product research? If you already have a product in hand, should I do product research? Whomsoever you are, manufacturer, retailer, wholesaler, distributor, student, housewife, lawyer, let it be anything, please do a product research. This will help you to understand the market trend. Please understand, whatever the product that you're manufacturing cannot be hot selling. So you have to do the research, make some changes, and study your competitors. Only then you can launch your products. I'll be sharing you 2 examples for sale. One of my client approached me and said that, Niveda, my products are not selling on US marketplace, and he listed a leather wallet. I got the link of the leather wallets, and I saw it. It had coin pouches. He's selling to US marketplace. It had coin pouches. This leather wallet did not sell. Any idea why it did not sell? Mohammed, there is no recording. Please attend live. Why it did not sell? Any idea? Any guesses? Super. Yes, US don't use coin much. No coins. There is no use of coin pouch at all. So none of them purchased the product. It was a complete loss for him. He is a manufacturer. If he would have done a small product research, he would have made the changes. After this, I asked him like, can you remove the coin pouch and replace it with some other credit cards pouch, etc.? He said, yes, I can do it perfectly. Then he changed it, he got a lot of sales. Simple, a small change. This is called a small change. Once you do it, you will get sales. I will share you another example. Another seller approached me who was making metal god idols, big god idols. He said me that he want to sell on Amazon. I said, no, this is not going to work out. Because the length is there. The weight of the product is higher. Everyone knows it. We go to a courier shop, they weigh it. Higher the weight, higher the shipping cost. I said, if you're going to weight it very, very higher, people will be like, I can buy it offline itself. So I asked him, can you make small idols for puja rooms, wall decor, and for cars, etc.? He said, definitely I can do it. And we made all small idols and we started making good sales on Amazon. A small change. Okay? For him, it's not a big issue. He can do anything. So a small change will be really helpful. So even if you are a manufacturer, make sure that you are making all these changes, etc. Don't worry, I'm going to share you all the ideal way. Don't worry, Manish. That is what I'm here. Don't worry. So before I proceed, I want to share you this. Whomsoever you are, I'm going to do a live demo. You have to do it. Don't assign some assistants for this. Product research should be your thing. You are specialized. I'm going to share you the live demo. Just type product. If I can show you a live demo of how to do a product research, even without any paid tools, just by using Amazon. It's mandatory for everyone to do it by yourself. After the class, I want everyone to work on this. Go to Amazon. Type the keyword or the product that you are having in hand, you are planning to make, or you are planning to purchase, or ideas coming to your mind. Whatever is coming to your mind, please type the keyword here. It can be an idea, or it can be the product that you are having in hand. I can have this product in hand, or I can manufacture a product or any idea. Just type it out here. Now, for example, consider that I am planning to invest my money on kitchen items, or I have kitchen items. Just enter it accordingly. Now, I'll select this particular product and I will show you why did I select this one. I've selected one particular product and I open it. Rule number 1. Please note, rule number 1, if a title is having Amazon brand, don't select the product. If a title is having Amazon brand, it means that Amazon itself is selling on Amazon. Don't select the brand. Sorry, don't select the product. Don't select the product, same color, same design. If a title has Amazon brand, the product is sold by Amazon and Amazon. They themselves will give them sales. So don't select the product, same design, same color. Any exceptions? Yes. If you are planning for grocery, don't consider it. In grocery, Amazon brand, even if it is there, you can launch it. Except grocery category, rest all categories, follow this rule. If the product is sold by Amazon brand, same color, same design, don't select it. Okay. Why? See, it's very simple. It is their own site. They will make sales. Now, people will get one question. Oh my God, if Amazon itself is selling on Amazon, I am a small seller. How can I make sales? Tomorrow, these guys will convert all my products. They will make sales. The small scale industry cannot develop in India itself like this. They will go somewhere. How many of you thought the same? How many of you thought the same? Yes. At least, I got no also. Great. See, I will share you the back end reality of it. See, Amazon is very wise. I have to say this also. They don't invest on stocks and all. So what they do, if you are going to sell this particular product on Amazon, if you are doing really, really good, okay, what they will say, they will approach you. There is a program called Accelerator Program, Amazon Accelerator Program. They will approach you and they will say that they will sell the products with their brand name. That's it. If your products are really doing good, they will approach you and they will sell the products in their brand name. That's it. So even indirectly, a small seller is only getting benefit. Why am I sharing you? These questions people will get, and because of this, they will stop selling on Amazon. Everywhere, whatever Amazon is doing, right, it is going to benefit the seller only, provided if you are going to come with good quality. No compromise on quality. Okay. So I repeat, rule number 1, don't select a product. of if you're having Amazon brand. Next, each and every product, if you come bottom, there is something called bestseller rank, BSR or rank. What is this bestseller rank? Bestseller rank means each and every product is given a rank category wise and subcategory wise. Like first rank means that guy has got good mark. In same way, if it is going to get 1 means it is making good sales, good reviews, etc. Like this, Amazon has organized rank wise. This is called main category. This is called subcategory. In the main category, if I click on see top 100 in home and kitchen, I can see all the top products that are doing really, really good in Amazon in home and kitchen category. Now you please say me, will you select these top 100 products and sell? Will you select all these top 100 products and sell? Yes or no? No, yes, no, mixed answers. No, no, no. Okay, lot of no's, few yes also. Fine. Yes. Falgun has typed the correct answer, too much competition. You should not select these products. The reason is that, see, if I'm going to launch a vegetable cutter of in my brand name, like I'm going to launch in the name Niveda, vegetable cutter, no one will buy it. Why no one will buy it? Already Pigeon is doing good in the market. See, the review count itself is going above 1 lakh. Highly competitive product. If I'm going to launch my own product, then who will buy it? No one will buy it. There are chances they will buy it. I don't say no, but it will take a lot of marketing cost and all. If you have a very plan, like in the next 2 years, I have to achieve so and so, you can launch. You can't make quick money. Consider I'm planning to launch this bread protector. I also personally use this particular product. So if I'm going to launch another bed protector, it's not going to work out because already they are doing good in the market. So no need to fight with all these guys. If you are going to fight with all these guys, it means highly competitive product. You won't make profit at least. Even if you make sales, you won't make profit. So next rule number 2, avoid the top 100 products. Avoid the top 100 products. We will not select these top 100 products. Above 100 only we'll be selecting it out. And this product, I am not selecting it. The reason is that Amazon brand is there in the title. So what I will do, I will click on the subcategory. What is subcategory? Now I will show you. Home and kitchen is main category. In that you will have subcategory, salt, pepper, racks, water bottle, flask, like this. Okay. Now, here let me select one more product. Okay, let me open up this particular product and apply our product pricing mantra. This product is not having Amazon brand in the title, so it's not sold by Amazon brand. Super. Let me check the rank. The rank is not top 100, it's above 100 in the main category. The rank is not less than 100, it's above 100. Super. So let me select this particular product. Apart from this, what are the other criteria should I select? Next criteria is item weight. The weight of the product should be, it's not a golden rule, but try to have it less than 1.5 kgs. Why? Higher the weight, higher the shipping cost. So if you're going to keep on increasing weight, your shipping cost will be higher. People will be like, I'll buy this product offline itself. In the opposite shop itself, it's very low. Why these guys are selling at this particular price? Is there any exception? Obviously. If I'm going to sell basmati rice 5 kg, it will be 5 kgs only. If I'm going to sell an office chair, which is one of the top hot products selling in Amazon, because especially many are working from home, this will not come less than 1.5 kg. These are the exemptions. But for other products, try to stick between less than 1.5 kg. The reason is that higher the shipping, higher the weight, higher the shipping charges. So grocery, furnitures will be exemption in all these things. Next. Am I making clear? Just type clear if you are clear till now. I have few more points to share. Okay, great. Now, next is the star. The star count have 3.5 star plus. Why 3.5 star plus? Consider I am planning to buy these products and there are 4 persons selling it. Everyone is having only 1 star. It means the product is not doing good in the market. So always have this 3.5 star plus. This ratings, right? It should be less than 1000. Why less than 1000? Very simple logic. If it is above 1000, it's competitive. See, this brand is having 12,149 reviews. This is a competitive products. I'll see PGN. 52,749 review count. So once the count goes above 1000, it's a competitive product. We can't win the market. So always go less than 1000. Okay. Next is the product pricing. Try to select product pricing between 500 to 2000 rupees. Let me break this into many parts. What if my product is less than 500 rupees? Only one thing I want you to do. I taught you about Kitna Milega calculator. Go and put your price. If you are making profit, sell it. If you are not making profit, don't sell it. See, I also deal with some of the clients where our selling price is around 350, etc. But these guys are making profit because they are manufacturer. If you are making profit, if you are planning to sell honey, it will be approximately 200, 300 to 400 only. So if you are making profit after putting Kitna Milega calculator, go less than 500. I don't say no. Else always go above 500. Very simple. If you go 99 and all, you won't make profit. Then people ask me, Niveda, I entered it. My product selling price is 400. I entered it and my procurement cost itself is 250. I don't make profit. What should I do? Don't love your products. If you're not making profit, don't sell. Why should you sell if you're not making profit? Don't sell. Kitna Milega is the only answer for it. As I said, exceptions. For example, I can't sell honey above 500 and all. It's not possible. Then if you're making profit, sell this. Next is that 2000 rupees. Why not above 2000 rupees? It's not a golden rule, but here are some of the points that I have personally noticed. Before proceeding, I just want you to answer one thing. How many of you or your family members are purchasing a product where it won't have any immediate use? Immediately you won't use it, but you will have it and you will use it in the upcoming future. Anyone like this? Because of office, if anyone is doing it? Yes, nope, me. No's also, they're happy to see no. I do at times. Hardly I buy unused items. Many times, nope, obviously, great. Mixed people. Anyways, but the reality, okay, I'm going to speak about the majority of the reality. Many people come and see all these discounts and they love it, they buy the product, even they need it or they don't need it. So, what is the price point they generally buy? Means 500 to 2000 rupees. If it is going about 2000 rupees, what happens is that they'll be like, can I buy it? Can I ask my husband or wife? Can I ask my father or mother? Okay, I will add it to cart. I will wait for my salary. Like this, they will think a lot. But once your pricing is less, immediately you can acquire the customer. E-commerce is how fastly are you going to acquire the customer. So selecting a price point between 500 to 2000 will help us in better conversion. The same product 649, I'll buy it. If it is going to be 2649, I will be like 2649, about 2000. Should I spend? Okay, let me share this link with my husband, consult him. So like this, I will imagine unnecessarily. Or I will wait for my EMI, etc. So don't need of all these things. Okay, so go with 500 to 2000. Again, exemption is there. If I'm going to buy an office chair, I will be obviously spending more. I won't compromise for 2000. I will go like above 6000 because I believe that is a very big product. Obviously, the price point will be higher. So exemptions are these types. Like if you're selling bed, no one is going to expect at 2000 rupees. That is perfectly fine. But for the other small level products, just to match your pricing with this price range, figure out products in this price range so that we can acquire the customers fast. I have to say this ground reality. People love buying products even if it is of no use. Believe me, there are some people who have the same Amazon box itself in their loft or something, in their balconies, here and there. They won't even open it. It will be unused. This is the ground reality. Okay. So, always working on all these psychological things is very, very important in e-commerce, understanding all these things. I'll do a small recap now. Please pay attention if someone has missed it. Go and type in Amazon the word, the product that you're having in hand, you're thinking to manufacture yourself. If, for example, I'm planning to manufacture homemade masala, I'll go and type it there. Or if I'm planning to buy it, just enter it out here. Search for any products. Don't select Amazon brand products, okay? Same color, same design. Exception, grocery. Go to the rank of the product. Don't select top 100 products in the main category because it's highly competitive. Next, go and select any other product that you are interested in. And this was the product that I shared you there. And make sure that the item weight is less than 1.5 kgs. Bestseller rank is above 100. And the ratings is less than 1000. If it is above 1000, it is going to be very, very competitive. This star count 3.5 star plus. Pricing between 500 to 2000 rupees. To justify the act that we followed, again I'm going to share you Jungle Squad sales data. In Jungle Squad, I repeat, Jungle Squad is a paid tool. It is just just an approximate tool, not accurate. On an average, this product is making 182 sales per month. Let's consider it's making 200 sales per month. Obviously, if I'm going to select this product and sell it in my own brand name, it's not possible to grab all the sales. Even if I'm making 50% of sales, like if I'm making 100 sales per month, I launch this product today. Within the next month, if I'm able to make 100 sales, do you believe it's a decent sales or not? Do you believe it's a decent sales or not? Yes. So that is how I'm saying that you can start small, you can do this analysis, grab the sales. I have few more points to add it. Always select a product which is an evergreen product. Just think, is the product going to do good in the next few years also? Selecting seasonal products can be avoided if you are completely new. If you have a raincoat shop, proceed. Else, please plan to avoid it up. It's not at all necessary. And make sure that you are figuring out the product by using the bestseller rank secret that I shared you. Always go with the current trend. Especially, there was a lockdown right in the corona second wave. At that time, people who are selling passport holders, travel bags, they saw a decline. So at that time, if you are launching for travel accessory, it's not going to work out. And don't, whenever the current trend, what people are thinking, just imagine. Go with the current trend, that's very important. Meet customer demand. Whatever the product that you are selling, it should meet the customer demand. Why are they buying it? Will my product be useful for them? Work on proper pricing method and strategy. I would advise to try to get the product price between 500 to 2000. Weight dimensions, try to get less than 1.5 kgs. Again, I'm saying plus or minus is okay based on your products, but try to figure out something like this so that you can get the good profit and kitna milega calculator. Always select only one product, okay? Not multiple products. If you have money, that's well and good. If you have a very low budget of 10k to 20k, start with one product, that's enough. If you really have 3 to 5 lakhs, you can go with multiple products. Focus on quality, no compromise on quality. If you are going to compromise on quality, e-commerce is not for you. And you have to work on a proper fulfillment mode and sourcing at best rate, which I'm going to share it right now. Just type clear if you got the product research mantra. If you got the product research mantra. Super. Clear. Great. So, now I'm going to come to the important topic. Please take a screenshot of this and type yes if you have taken a screenshot. This will be highly helpful from you. This image is not available right now outside. So, please take a screenshot of this. Yes, okay. Now, I'm going to share you how you can procure all these products and all that I'm going to share you after the break. Before that, I want to give you one idea. How you can fulfill all these orders. Many people get stuck out here itself. They think it's very difficult how to fulfill the order. If I get an order, what to do? Are you courier service? Which courier? I'll break down into all these small pieces and I'll explain about Amazon FBA also. Please pay attention next 5 minutes. Okay? It will be a very fruitful session. The first method is called Easy Ship method. As the name suggests, it's very easy. You will get the order. You will pack the parcels. Amazon courier guys will come and pick the parcels from your home or office, wherever you have mentioned. They will pick and deliver to the customer. I repeat again. Easy Ship, you will pack the parcels and you will have to just keep it in your home or office. And Amazon courier guys will come and pick it and go. Should I use Amazon courier materials? No. You can use your own courier covers. White courier covers is also okay. Brown courier covers is also okay. You can use it, everything yourself. No one is going to guide you on that. And team, please share all the packing links also. My team will be sharing you the packing links. There is no requirement for anything like you should have Amazon courier covers, nothing is there. You can use your own carton box, your own courier covers, no restrictions on that. And this is called easy ship, where you will have to just pack the parcels and Amazon courier guys will come and pick it up and go. Now, once you do this, okay, there are 3 types of charges available. One is referral fees, another is closing fees, another is shipping fees. What is referral fees? Referral fees is based on the category of the products. Okay, so if, for example, books 3%, beauty so-and-so percentage, that is called referral fees. Okay, I repeat, referral fees is based on the category. Closing fees is based on the price point that I am selling. 500 to 1000, they will charge 12 rupees or 15 rupees like that. So this is one fees, this is second fees, and they are providing shipping service. They are coming to your home or office, picking the product and going, right? So 3 types of charges are there. Referral fees, closing fees and shipping fees. Now next comes the self-ship. As the name suggests, you will get the order, you will pack it yourself, you will courier it yourself. Self, you have to do it self. Now in this, there are 2 types of charges. There won't be any shipping charges from Amazon. There will be 2 types of charges only. Referral fees and closing fees. Referral fees is based on category. Closing fees is based on the price that you are selling. 0 to 510 rupees, they will debit. 500 to 1000, 15 rupees, they will debit like this. All these you simply use Kitna Milega calculator, it will populate. Now here there are only 2 charges. Courier is on our head. You can go and deliver it yourself. You can use India Post, Speed Post. You can go and use DTDC, Professional, Nimbus Post, Ship Rocket, it and all up to you. Next method, which I prefer, is Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA. What is this method? See, in above 2 methods, it involves your work. You have to pack it, you have to do it. In FBA, nothing like that. You list your products. Even before getting the order, send some pieces to Amazon. You can even send 1 piece, but I generally advise to send 20 to 30 pieces, at least 10 pieces, send it to Amazon. They themselves will pack it, they themselves will deliver it. My work is to send in bulk to Amazon. Amazon will take care of all the process. Very simple work. Now here, as an easy ship, they will be charging all these things. Referral fee, closing fees, shipping fees. There is one more fees called FBA fees. Why FBA fees? We are storing our parcels in Amazon FBA warehouse, Fulfillment by Amazon warehouse. They are storing it. Once we get the order, they will pack it. They will courier it to the customers. So they are charging in FBA fees, which includes pick and pack, storage fees, etc. So in this, there are 4 types of charges. And easy ship 3 types of charges, self ship 2 types of charges, FBA 4 types of charges. Now I have one question for you. I have launched it in a poll. Which fulfillment method is profitable for Amazon? Please answer it out. Yes, in Kitna Milega calculator, we used for FBA only. Merchant fulfilled is easy ship and self ship. I have launched a poll. Please check out and say me which fulfillment method is profitable for Amazon. In easy ship, 3 types of charges is charged from us. In self ship, 2 types of charges. In FBA, 4 types of charges is charged from us. I am ending the poll. Majority 66% has shared the correct answer. FBA is profitable for Amazon. Why did I ask this question means very simple. I'm stopping the poll results. Why did I ask this question means, see, everyone here is for business. Even Amazon is here in India for business. There is no return loss anywhere. But believe me, based on my personal experience, I am saying, once you send your products to Amazon FBA warehouse, automatically the product visibility increases and also sales increases. Why are they doing it? Now you got the answer. They are going to make more money from us once we send it to FBA. See, this and all you will be paying to some guy. Everything here you are going to pay combined to Amazon itself. So in fulfillment by Amazon, once you send a particular products to Amazon, they automatically increase your visibility and also sales get increased. So because of this, I highly recommend you to try FBA method. It's up to you to switch between any methods. One account can easy ship, self ship. One account can, this is called merchant fulfill. Okay, one account can have both merchant fulfill and FBA. Anytime you can switch over all these things, etc. So, but Why FBA? There are two main reasons. One is your sales will increase. Another is that you can sit back and relax. You can go for a vacation and go out with your family. Things will happen on its own. You will get the order. Someone will pack your parcel. Someone is going to deliver it. You will be like a real boss. You will be enjoying your vacation. Things will happen on its own. So I highly recommend you to try out FBA methods. If you have any justifications, yes, of course, you can switch between all these methods, etc. And to send products to FBA, there is no minimum criteria itself. I got one thing, I want to read it. Pawan said, money works for you, as Warren Buffett said. Yes, that's so true. So is it clear? Just type clear. Is it clear? Just type clear. If you have any questions, don't worry. We have Q&A at the end. We will be giving you FBA group also. Don't worry. Super. So now we will be having a